add a little salt to our life. We are here at Salt Karjan. So, are you ready to explore? Come, join me. Let's start with the all day cafe. Come. A heartwarming coffee on a beautiful rainy day. What more can you ask for? If you are looking for a warm countryside experience, there are soul-feeding surprises at every turn. From nature to people to art, this place has it all. And the rains are giving it a perfect look. Come, let's grab some lunch. The lounge area makes you feel so comfortable and relaxed. It has a homely feel to it. The interiors are unusually attractive in an old-fashioned way. It transfers you to a different world. The outside seating is simply awesome. You can enjoy your meal with a picture-perfect scenery. Let's try some mocktail. From classics to in-house specials, there is a wide range of dishes to choose from. We decided to experiment with a little variety. Enjoy the sprawling outdoors along with great hospitality. Behind me is a private dining area. If you are in a larger group, you can book this for the evening. Tucked in the beautiful surrounding is Akashi. A splendid collection of designs. Let's take a walk down the memory lane and visit the vintage cars collection. Here you can see a wide array of cars from Ambassador to Mercedes to Maruti 800. This beauty belonged to the legend M.F. Hussain, the famous painter. For all you plant lovers out there, there's Kenshu Nursery here, from where you can take a little bit of greenery home. It's time now to visit my favorite, the Cocoa Cart. Filled with yummy goodies, it's a paradise for ones with a sweet tooth. An extensive variety of chocolates to choose from. It's time to bid adieu to this magical place. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.